What is going on, Chip Army? It is Coin Advisor and I am back today with yet another video for you all. The market is looking phenomenal. The overall cryptocurrency market is rebounding very nicely after one of the roughest and most steep sell-offs we have seen probably all year in 2021. So everything is in double-digit greens. Look at Bitcoin up 13.7%, Ethereum up 11.28%, Doge going up 35.1%. That was hit still very hard, and if you look at the 7-day, there's still a lot of room for improvement, but SHIBA INU up almost 17 on the day. Loving the price action. That we're checking whether we take a gander at the one-day diagram. Fast, wonderful, incredible recuperation, and I'm trusting that this simply proceeds with every one of the positive impetuses that are coming up. You all definitely realize this channel isn't for monetary exhortation, rather I generally attempt to put you all on the spot that I'm in, so you know whenever I say anything I can at any point advise anyone whether to purchase or sell. Yet, when I pounds and others pounds, it seems like things work out in a good way for us. So in general we're up again around 17% on the off chance that we purchased yesterday at that 56 or 550,560 Satoshi unit mark. Notwithstanding, this is just the start in light of the fact that such countless positive impetuses for SHIBA INU are in transit. Exchange volume has been crazy, and you folks can see the 24-hour volume, $657 million. That is fundamentally again the measure of volume trading hands between brokers, so individuals are getting energized, and in case you're somebody that is day exchanging this, so be it. Yet for the precious stone handers, I'm trusting that we're going to ideally see this load of new executed impetuses including SHIBA trade. We realize we got the green light and we're all set, and afterwards some significant listening news. So yesterday, whoop to milkshake by the way, or SHIBA INU craftsmanship on Twitter tweeted out this from eTORO. So eTORO, the group around there, said that yesterday they added, this was again 2 days ago now on Monday, they added 3 new crypto resources, yet in brackets they composed "We see you SHIBA local area" or SHIBA INU local area, on the grounds that after the 3 crypto resources were recorded, individuals were saying, gracious, for what reason is SHIBA INU not recorded? And you all know the boat armed force is profound. We have the greater part 1 million holders at the present time, and we all are extremely dynamic via web-based media. So individuals then, at that point, went to eToro's Twitter, went to every one of the various stages and said, hello, what about SHIBA INU? We would cherish, for we couldn't imagine anything better than to see SHIBA INU on Toro. So think about what today we bring, a sizzling up and coming element, so they will add a few highlights to the eToro stage, yet in any case seeming as though they're preparing to dispatch and run down SHIBA INU on their trade. That will be an enormous gigantic impetus, as I would like to think, for SHIBA INU, in light of the fact that whenever we see extra posting that is continually going to emphatically affect the value activity, we realize that that is only a 100 truth, and things follow on the grounds that openness is quite possibly the main things. And eToro, on the off chance that you don't have the foggiest idea what eToro is, genuine fast here in the event that I pull it up, there's 265,000 supporters simply on the Twitter. Yet this is probably the greatest trade worldwide in the worldwide scale. It's utilized here in the US, all of North America, I should say Canada, South America, you know, Europe, even in some Asian nations. Notwithstanding, eToro is worldwide, so expanding access, since certain individuals don't utilize Coinbase or don't utilize finance, yet they do utilize eToro. Expanding availability consistently will be something positive that will affect eToro in a positive way. Now, genuine fast here, Weeble, you folks realize I had the chance to connect each and every video, since I'm adoring the number of individuals are joining, yet there's still so a lot, a greater amount of you that presently can't seem to join with the connection underneath and make the most of this chance. 2 free stocks when you store $100 into your Weeble money market fund. $2,300 could in a real sense be yours when you set aside an underlying speculation or installment, of $100. You don't need to purchase anything, simply saving cash into your record, and you can generally pull out in the event that you end disliking Weeble. Yet I know most of you will incredibly like it, and SHIBA INU may be in transit soon on Weeble as a financier. So again, you 150 will get Google stock, Facebook, Procter Bet, Starbucks, Create, Heinz or Snapchat. So exploit 1 out of you 50 will get a $2,000 stock. That is the likelihood $2,000 stock, which is Google. So if it's not too much trouble, kindly exploit getting your 2 free stocks and furthermore obstruct 5 accept this 2 to 250 worth of free Bitcoin when you store cash into your Square document account so you can see the store sum and the compensation sum payout sum in Bitcoin. So again, with Bitcoin pulling back a couple of pounds on the several days and saved, you most likely effectively made a huge increase from your underlying starting venture on the grounds that superbly the general market pulled back up. Bitcoin dropped to 28,000, that is at 34 up 50 as of now. So again folks, every one of the forthcoming cattles I believe will affect the value activity. Generally speaking, decidedly the 1 hour diagram is looking magnificent. I'm trusting we get through that 700 Satoshi unit mark opposition, which we're moving toward that at the present time. So on the off chance that we can break that, a specialized breakout in the event that you will ideally we'll see 800 and go from that point. So truly anticipating breaking out all the obstruction focuses for helplines, support insightful. It's difficult to tell at this moment in the event that we look at the day by day, the 1 day value, we can see there was a fair degree of help close to here 6100 or 610 Satoshi units 610, so twofold it contacted there twice as it was as the market or as Shiba Inu chose to pull back. Yet the truth of the matter is it tracked down some degree of help to bob off of, so you folks can see that in those two imprints 0.1 and 0.2. What about here also is that 6100 is that 63, so it's somewhat higher 62 61. So in reality multiple times 1 2 and 361,610 610 610, so you could say unhesitatingly that in the event that it at any point chooses to pull down, which it presumably will not, the general market's doing wonderfully and everything is seeming as though it's moving the positive way. I believe that as I would see it on the off chance that you're somebody who has not jumped on the grounds that I can't reveal to you whether to purchase or sell, you're actually searching for a section point. Continue focusing, since supposing that this thing begins to run, it very well may be difficult for it to pull down. With every one of the positive impetuses, eTORO posting Coinbase Genius reposting Coinbase, then additionally posting wow such a lot of Robinhood posting Shiba Trade official delivery, they're preparing to dispatch out of nowhere. They can do it, and recall the engineers revealed to us they won't give us an admonition, they need to drop it simply if there should arise an occurrence of bots and different things that may overpower their framework, which they need to give us as the merchants, as the financial backers of Shiba Inu, the most upper hand. And doing so, however, the lone path for them to do so is by what? Yes, you heard it right, it is just conceivable on the off chance that they don't give us an authority declaration. And see this folks, excellent, just hit 700 Satoshi units and I'm adoring what we're seeing rapidly. Take a gander at the 1 hour graph again please. We need to break out, so we should I'm simply going to show restraint, going to take off to work on the grounds that again I can't be on sadly for the duration of the day, or I would in a real sense be taking a gander at the screen the entire time. The 1 hour outline, presumably the brief diagram, I'll simply be gazing at it actually like this. So again, I truly like all you folks, love, support, love and backing. Again, enormous news from eTORO dropping these sensations left and right, giving us large shocks, ideally a posting soon, and afterward we'll perceive how the value activity will be influenced, as I would like to think I need to see by week's end 800,900 Satoshi units, assuming we could see that, and some certain news to polish off the week like reposting on Coinbase or posting on eTORO. Gracious man, we will take this thing to the guaranteed land. So much thanks everyone for tuning in. I truly like your affection and backing. On the off chance that you haven't effectively hit the like, catch, buy into the channel, join the excursion, tweet at me. You folks realize the Twitter has been going off the deep end recently, up to more than 2,000 devotees, so I truly like each and every individual who has followed and is tweeting, and I'm attempting to put forth a valiant effort to react to answer and reaction quickly. So much thanks for tuning in everyone. Exploit both of you free stocks with Webull, get your free Bitcoin with Block. Fine, until next time then, at that point continue to contribute.